Hello, I heard you wanna learn how to make money online, but you don't trust those guys. They could be scammers, huh? Well, that's why I'm here to put you through those I've tried and also teach you how to make some dollar, some pounds, euros. You know what I mean when you turn into your currency. You're gonna be a millionaire in a week. Let's get right into how to do it with your mobile phone.
One of the general thing that is outstanding in making money worldwide is being uh, I'm looking for an easy word for it that will not sting, but it is what it is. If you are earning in as much as you are under the nation, you must have to give the nation their own this thing, their own cuts. Nigeria just started it of recent, but it is so worldwide. If you want to make something substantial, you want to leave the poverty lane, you just have to be serious. And when you're serious and they see your seriousness, they will also come for their own cut. So it's not a crime, it's not a big deal. It's a big deal for a nation that are not really doing anything for their citizens. If you see all these developed nations that are really charging tax here and there, that the tax is really heavy, you can also see the deployment of what the tax money is doing in the nations. But it is what it is. You won't wait for your nation to give it to you before you go out and get it. So if you are interested in making money online, I think this is what is a very necessary thing to do, getting a TIN. So we are going straight away to getting our TIN. This is step-by-step guide on how to get it. It is actually very, very simple. Okay, so you just open your browser and search the Nigerian Tax ID portal. Nigeria Tax ID portal. Then search. It will bring you to this interface. FCTRS. No, I think we'll go for the NRS. Nigeria. No, go for the second one. We'll just have to go for the second one. Go for this. NRS. Okay, this is where to bring you to this interface. Make sure you see the face of one this young one. Okay, so it's not really hard. So you just in this place you just put your NIN, NIMC, that NIN number. Just go and fetch it wherever you get it and then copy and paste or just type it out here. Then afterwards it will bring you to this next interface. Once you just type it and then I'll go ahead and type mine and then I'll go to the next interface. Okay, let's take a look at. Okay, in case you do not see your number, you just dial on this number. If you have forgotten yours or you can't find it, just dial that 3*346 hash. Okay, so I just filled mine. I filled the NIN. So this is the next interface. You input your first name as it is on your NIN and then the last name. In case you put middle name, do not bother necessarily going after that. Okay, so put your first name, second, your last name, and then date of birth. And then you click on this and then also click on verify. Successful that you're a human. So you add your date of birth exactly as it is in your NIN and then your last name, your family name, and then your first name. I'll go ahead and fill mine and then you see this green I don't know my phone because of this their menu. It is now disguising is blocking the space for
to view what is written there. But once you fill up all this interface, you click on that. So immediately I fill up my information, I'll just click on that, and then we'll go to the next interface. I think after this, it will just automatically generate your NI, your TIN. You need this when you want to verify your Facebook, when you want to monetize Facebook, when you want to monetize TikTok also. So just save it well. Okay guys, so I have successfully put it there. Immediately after that, clicking that, immediately it will generate it for you. Very easy guys, very easy. So you just put it in they will even bring it out in a copyable block. Make sure you just click copy it. I will advise you just go and save it as a number in your phone, as a contact. Remember your name that you use and save it, so if someone search on your phone, the person will not be able to just search the NIN and just bring out your detail. Okay, so just save it with a name you can remember so that you can always revisit it. Anytime they talk about your NIN, you just go and then search the contact, and then you remove the number and just copy. Because if you want to earn money online, one thing that you must keep close to you is your NIN. Okay guys, so well, as you see, nations are coming to ask for their own, and then they don't need arguments. No matter what you do, you must bring it out and give them. So guys, one thing, I'll just use this opportunity to chip in the law of tithing. You see, now even nations are obeying the law. Why? Well, I don't know how to put this, guys, but I don't know. Just read the Bible for yourself. Read the Bible. Let it be that it is the word of God that is guiding you, not people's opinion. Don't inherit someone's vendetta. Don't inherit someone's enemy. Do not inherit someone's pain. Someone who does not even give a damn about you will see you anywhere and will not even give a hike whether you exist. It's the same person you are using, you are calling their counsel against God. Now it has been enforced for every Nigerian that you must pay your tax. Your tax. You must pay your tax in as much as you are earning. Though not for the there's an earning bracket that you'll be able to, for that to be activated. It's not for everybody though. Everyone though. But who want to remain in the low level? Of course, you have to rise, and if you must rise, you must deploy to the nation also. So now God say, bring your tithe and offering and prove me. If I will not open the windows of heaven and pour you down a blessing, you will not be able to read. You pour you down a blessing, you will not be able to. Let me use the word comprehend for the lack of words that is plain. You will not be able to comprehend, guys. That is what people are arguing. God Himself say, pay it and prove me. If I will not prove to you, and you refuse to. Can you imagine? Imagine the foolishness of human being. And it's that simple. It is God that said it. According the word, God honors His word more than His name. Instead of running from pillar to post, looking for opportunities, praying here and there, and see, you see, do you know God is very mysterious? So He said, pay your tithe and offering. He said, those who fail to pay their tithe and offering, failing to pay tithe and offering is like opening the door for their adversary to also come in. He said, I will rebuke the devourer for your sake. If you pay your tithe, I will rebuke the devourer for your sake. So some people, it's just that Satan is chasing them. They are running away from God. What is 10%? Anyway, guys, that is it, guys. Remain blessed. Remain plugged in on God to keep the light shining. That is the only refuge you have. Bless.
Hey, precious one. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, consider to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content like this one. Bless you. Thank you.